So here we actually have some more scary news about climate change. So the UK's 10 hottest years on record have occurred since 2002. It also shows that none of the coldest years have happened since 1963. Let's see. Its statistics stretching back to 1884 reveal a worrying trend as the planet as a whole deals with the climate crisis. Let's see. The world has warmed 1 degree Celsius since pre-industrial times, meaning that hot years are the new normal, said Dr. Michael Byrne from the University of St. Andrews. Not only is the UK getting warmer, but also wetter, with 13% more summer rain compared to last century. With global emissions of greenhouse gases on the rise, the UK will continue to get warmer and wetter as global warming accelerates. The science of climate change is now clear. The UK government must ramp up preparations and ensure that our infrastructure and citizens are prepared for what is to come. The records now show 1892 was the coldest year, with the average temperature just over 7 degrees Celsius. Let me see what 7 degrees Celsius is in Fahrenheit. 44.6. 44.6 degrees Fahrenheit. No new warm years were added as a result of the additions, though some years that sit among the 10 coldest are now included in this discussion. The warmest year was 2014, with an average temperature approaching 10 degrees Celsius. Which is 50 degrees Fahrenheit. On average, the temperature across the UK between 2009 and 2018 was 0.9 degrees Celsius warmer than the average of 1961 to 1990. So from 1961 to 1990, it was an average of 8.2, 8.3 degrees Celsius. 1981 to 2010 was about 8.5, and now 2009 to 2018, basically 9 degrees, 10 degrees, roughly. Last year joined the top 10 warmest years at number 7, despite the severe beast from the east cold snap early in the year. The UK had the most significant snowfall since 2010. In those 12 months, though snow has become less common since the 1960s. Sunshine also appears to be on the up. Average hours of bright weather from 2009 to 2018 were up on 7% average for 1961 to 1990, while the team found the period from May to June 2018 was the sunniest 3-month stretch since 1929, almost 100 years ago. In a year of extremes, the UK had a heat wave last summer, which the experts said was made 30 times more likely by climate change, and the season was the equal hottest summer on record along with 2006. This is... The fact that people still deny climate change it astonishes me. Because, I mean, you saw me a couple weeks ago talk about Alaska and how it was the hottest it's ever been. Which for Alaska is extremely hot. Oh my god, it was like, well, it was like 90 degrees. Alaska's not supposed to be 90. Alabama is supposed to be 90. It's ridiculous. I mean, I can even tell you right now what it is in Alabama. It is... So I'm recording this at 12 in the afternoon, August 1st. It is 91 degrees where I'm at. That is normal for us. That is not normal for somewhere like Alaska. And when it comes to the UK, you just saw the facts. They're not used to those temperatures. I mean, the past 10 years are pretty much the hottest it's ever been. I mean, it hasn't had like a record-setting cold year since the 60s. The world's getting hotter, and nobody is admitting it. Well, people are admitting it, but nothing can be done about it because, you know, ExxonMobil likes to pay some politicians to try and sweep climate change under the rug. I don't know how many times I have to say this, but we do need a Green New Deal. And I was just reading earlier, I'll have to find the actual report. I might even make a video on that, but apparently saying just 10% of the subsidies given to fossil fuel industries could actually pay for a green transition. So if that's the case, that's actually true, then we should do that. I mean, it makes perfect sense. Why are we still funding fossil fuel industries? Why are we still funding ExxonMobil? They're literally killing the earth, which is going to kill us. I mean, do you see, look at all these beautiful trees in the background here. You see that shit? Over down there, there's a pond. There's a pond down there on the other side of that fence, but you can't really see the fence because of all those trees in the way. All this is all beautiful. And climate change is going to kill this. All of this right here is going to be gone. It's a scary thought, because, I mean, once this goes, we all go with it. There's nothing we can do about it. At least once we get to that point, there's nothing we can do about it. We still have a chance to stop this, and at least slow it down. I don't know if we could ever fully reverse it. At this point, I don't think we can, but we can at least slow it down. And that's what we need to do. Establish the Green New Deal.